Hello all, welcome back to C Simplified. My name is Satvik, and in today's video we are gonna create your first ever mini project using C which is a calculator. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First open Programmis, which is a C online compiler. Here you can see the link. Now after opening it, remove the extra codes which are not required and write your first variable which is gonna be double. Now give the values of number 1, number 2 and result as variables and and next create one more variable which is gonna be character. Now give the variable character operation because operations like plus, minus, divide, multiply would come under characters. Now let's start writing the code. First write console.write. Write enter your first number. So the user will write their first number over here. Now console number 1 equals to, we are going to change the console the number which they have written as double because we have added the variable of number 1 as double, so we are going to convert it to double and the console is going to read it. So yeah, as you can see, now the console will be able to read the line. Now let's do the same for operation. Console dot write bracket bracket enter the operation which we want, like plus, minus, divide, etc. So we are gonna give them options so that the user can choose it, and we are also gonna convert it to character. So operation equals to convert dot to, oh it's character, sorry, my fault, character console.readLine. Oh, I've also written the above line as write line. I'm gonna change it to read line. Just a second. Yeah. Now let read line. So now, if the user runs this, the user would able. Oh, there's an error. Wait a second. Oh, I forgot to add the semicolons. Now, if I run this, there shouldn't be any errors. Yeah, if the user writes the first number as 10 and adds it, the code has been successfully executed. Now let's write for the second number. Console.write enter second number. Like the user would be able to write the second number. Now we are also gonna convert it to double like we did for the number 1. Just don't forget to change the number 1 to number 2. Yeah, now we have created the basic system of how it's gonna work. The user is gonna input the number 1. Wait, there's an error. Yeah, the user is gonna input the number 1, for example 10, and then choose an operation. I have wrote anything, and yeah, the second number will also be inputted by the user. Now let's continue. Now we are gonna use if and else. If you don't know what if and else is, I recommend you to watch the previous video. You can also click the above I icon for watching the video. If the operation is equal to plus, then I'm gonna add the brackets. Yeah, then it would be, the result would be addition of number 1 and number 2. Yeah, and the console is gonna write number 1, the addition of number 1. So we are gonna create a dollar sign, addition of result equals to number 1 plus number 2 in the curly brackets. Yeah, so that's it. That's the first step of adding it. Yeah, that's it. Now if I run this and if I write, oh, there's an error. Why is there an error? Yeah, I had added an extra curly bracket. Now if I write the first number is 10 and add it, wait, I wrote minus 1. 1 minus, which I shouldn't have. Now if I write the first number as 0 and add it by 10, then the output should be 10. Yeah, that's it. It has successfully been executed. Now I'm gonna repeat the same steps for minus and multiply. Time for the division. For division, we have to do something different. So first, copy and paste the above multiply. And now it's time for doing the different thing. Also, don't forget to change the multiply by divide so that the operation remains the same. Now we have to add an if, because you might know that any number divided by 0 is invalid. So we have to write an if command so that if the number 2 is equal to 0, then there would be an error which would be shown. So if number 2 exclamation sign equals to 0, yeah, and the rest would be the same. Now we are going to write an else command. So if the number 2 is equal to 0, else the output which would be shown with console.WriteLine bracket error, a number can't be divided by 0. Division with by 0 is not applicable. So you can write anything, just write error. So yeah, that's it. You have created your calculator. Now let me run this once. There's an error showing. I think I've added a less curly bracket. Let me add. Now let me run this. Yeah, the error has gone. So that's it now that everything is fixed. You have created your first C Sharp calculator. I hope you enjoyed the video. Come in again on the next one. In the next one, we are gonna create a simple number guessing game, which would be a one player game. That's it for today. See you in the next one.